we always want to show off our pets, but they're not there 100% of the time. And you want to catch every single message or every single person that comes onto your stream, but you can't. It's really hard. So what can I tell you if you can actually have a bit of software on your machine that you can catch every single message and greet them, and is in the form of a great, cute, fluffy animal? You'd be happy. This is Tech Talk. Now, we all like to have an animal that is obedient.
Sit. Stay. Sit. Roll over. Good doggy.
So pretty much you can have your own pet on your stream greeting everyone that comes by. I'm going to break it down to these 3 points. 1, how to implement your Kappamon to your stream. 2, how to set up a command on your Kappamon. And 3, and how to customize it. I feel like I want to give you guys a bonus tip, a bonus Ice Tiger tip. So this is going to be 4, how to customize it Ice Tiger style. So this will give you 1 or 2 tips additional to what I've given you with the 3rd point as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So firstly, you'll go to the Kappamon website, which is kappamon.com, and you'll be greeted with a sign-in page, which is this. Obviously, you would sign in with your Twitch account. Once you have signed in with your Twitch account, you're greeted with a page which has all your information on here as well. To implement this Kappamon to your stream, once you have chosen, which I'll show you in a moment, you would go to show your URL link, which will have your dimensions there, and you pretty much will copy and paste that into your browser source on your OBS. To grab a Kappamon, you would go down to either collection or marketplace. The marketplace will be the one where you would get all your Kappamons firstly, and here you would either have a gingerbread man, a werewolf, a ditto, anything you can imagine on here within your limitations as well. So once you have picked your Kappamon, which I will show you a few here. So if you go onto Ditto, you can choose different mutations, different colors as well. And obviously you can buy them, and also you get some free ones. I'm going to show you my collections. I've got a cat and also a kitty with different mutations. As you can see here, these are the ones I've got. And you can set your idle, attack, dance. Once you have set your animation, you'll click on that. Once you have set that, it'll go to homepage. Once you go to your homepage, you would click show. And one thing you would do is you'll copy your link. Once you have copied your link, you head over to your OBS. Once you have copied your URL, you would open up your source and you would go to browser. Once to browser, you would name it anything. I'm going to name it Kitty Time. And you would go OK. In your URL, you would paste your URL that you got from the Kappamon website. And then hit OK. Changing whatever dimensions you would have on the website. You would change it here. And once you've changed it, you've got your little Kappamon here. And then whatever message you type out, it will greet you, or whatever command. Now that you set up your own pet or your own Kappamon, I'm going to teach you on how to set up your own command to your Kappamon. Ain't that right, buddy? Too right. So the second point is on how to add a command onto your Kappamon. Firstly, you would go to command, then you would go to add. And once it comes up with this information here, you can type in any command you would like to. So I'm going to add cats. In the first message, you can put down anything. I'm going to put cats are amazing. Now, when it comes to the second message or the third message, this can be randomized every single time someone has entered that command. Make sure to add the exclamation point before your command unless it is a key word. We don't need the exclamation point. Second message could be I have 9 lives, because cats always have 9 lives. Third message can be anything you want, so I'm going to leave that blank. When it comes down to your image, this could be any image you like, and you can get it from Giphy. You can be, as long as you have like a URL, it could be a Giphy, it could be anything, as long as you have the link for it as well. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to show you the reason why I don't use this a little bit later on as well. And then you can add any animation, a trigger word with all your information here on what you need for it, who can activate it, and the duration. I always put it down to 5 seconds, and the cooldown is 1 second. Once you added your command down to your Kappamon, you go back to your source, and then you will refresh the link as well, and eventually your command will come to life. Yeah, I agree with that, little buddy. I agree with that. So this is going to be your third point. So this is your third point. Can't do it. So this is going to be your third point. Your third point is on how to customize your own Kappamon, which I'm going to show you the basic customization within Kappamon itself. So I'm going to give you the basic information on customizing your Kappamon through the Kappamon website, where this one we're going to show you both the pug and also the Kappa bot. So firstly, if you do like pugs and you want different colored pugs, you would either have the brown or the dark pug, and as you can see with these ones, you could either have to pay in their currency, which is at the moment 94, or you've also got the other currency as well. This will be the two main currencies to get this pug. Some of them will cost you, some of them will be for free. As you can see for this one, this will be free. And with these mutations, you would have a different color when it comes to blue, red, yellow, and green. Once you have gotten your Kappamon, whatever one you go for mutation wise, you would go back to profile, and then you would copy this URL back into your OBS. Make sure you have saved the Kappamon that you wanted to in collections. Once you have saved that, it will all work and it will be peachy. Once you've chosen your Kappamon, your mutations, and your commands, your Kappamon will be in full swing. They can answer and also greet your viewers when they come on in stream. Ain't that right? Oh, he's just shy. Now I'm going to give you my fourth bonus on how to customize your Kappamon so it's completely different opposed to what you get on the Kappamon website. So this is my own customization tip. Is there enough for the budget for that one? So pretty much this is how I do it. So this tip or this point is going to be easy. First thing you do is you right click on your link and you would go to filters. After you go to filters, you go on to color correction, name it whatever you want, and with this one you go on to hue shift and you would change it to any color you like. Obviously changing the settings and messing around with it to make sure it looks like whatever you want on your stream. And there we go, we've got a nice little Pikachu kitty. Once you have sorted out what color you want to go for, what customization you want to go for, you're done. Now if you do change the color of your Kappamon, I would recommend not using any GIFs or images with Kappamon, because it will change not only just the Kappamon, it will change the GIFs and the imaging of that GIF. Hello buddy, how you doing today? I hope this information has shed some light on how to use Kappamon onto your stream. If you have any information or any questions on how to use it, do comment down in the channel, or if you want to come by my stream, I do stream on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. But until next time guys, keep an eye on this channel, do subscribe, and there we go. I think that's it. What about you, little buddy? No? Nothing. Nothing. That's it. I'm gone. Bye. That's it. I tell you what, you an actual star. You were amazing. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I am pretty amazing. I wonder. Ah!